In this video, I am going to start chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics chapter has been given in standard 12 class. So first I will explain what is chemical kinetics, or in this branch what we will study. So we can say that chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry in which we study rate of a chemical reaction. You can say the speed with reaction proceeds, the speed with which reaction move is called rate of a chemical reaction. So in this branch we will focus rate of a chemical reaction. There are three different types of reaction present in the nature. First is the slow reaction. Second is the moderate reaction. And third one is the fast reaction. Those chemical reaction which takes long time for its completion is known as slow reaction. Rusting is an example of slow reaction. Whereas those reactions which proceeds or which occur at a fast rate is called fast reaction. Reaction in presence of sunlight is a fast reaction. Whereas if the reaction takes place at moderate rate, neither slow nor fast, it is called moderate reaction. So there are three different types of chemical reaction present in the nature. That is very, very important. First is the slow reaction. Second is the fast reaction. And third one is the moderate reaction. You can say rusty, corrosion. You can say reaction in presence of sunlight, in presence of electricity. But the reaction which takes place at moderate rate, neither slow nor fast, is called moderate reaction. In this branch, we have to focus this type of reaction, because it is not possible to find rate of very slow reaction or rate of very fast reaction. Whenever we are going to study chemical kinetics in this branch, we need to focus moderate reaction. Reaction which occur neither slow nor fast. Now the question is, how will we express rate of a chemical reaction? Or you can say rate of a chemical reactants and products. So rate means change in concentration, mind it. In physics, rate of change of velocity, del V by del T or dV by dt. Rate of change of displacement, ds by dt. Similarly, rate of a chemical reactant is equal to change in concentration divided by change in time. So we know that concentration is expressed in terms of mole per liter and time second. So we can say that the unit of rate of reaction is mole per liter per second. This is the unit. So what is it? The speed with which the reaction proceeds, it is a change in concentration per change in time. Now, whenever we are going to show the rate of reaction, we can express it into two parts, two terms, two types. First is the rate of chemical reactant can be expressed in two types. First is the average rate and the second is the instantaneous rate. Average rate, it is that type of rate which takes place for a fixed interval of time. A definite interval of time, and we use this symbol. So this is change in concentration divided by change in time. Whereas instantaneous rate is that type of reaction which takes place at every second, at every interval of time. So here we use D, change in concentration, divided by. So this is not a big issue. Just you have to numericals, while you are solving numericals we can use any part. This is most popular, but you must know that average rate and instantaneous rate, these two rates are two different terms. Average rate for a fixed interval of time, we calculate rate for a fixed interval of time, whereas for instantaneous rate we take every intervals at regular intervals of time. These are the two differences. Now I will show the equation and I will show how to write rate of a chemical reaction, how to solve numericals based on rate of a chemical reaction. So I have used one equation. Suppose this is AA, BB, CC plus DD. Mind it, in the chemical equation video, I have explained that before the reactant, the factors that we are using, these are called coefficient. These are called coefficient. This part is known as reactant. I think you people know it very well. Reactant. And this part is known as product. And with the time, as the time passes, reactant, or you can say concentration of reactant decreases and concentration of the product increases. So whenever we are going to show the rate of a chemical reaction, we will take reactant in terms of negative concentration and products in terms of positive concentration. So here we can, this coefficient is written like this. In average rate we can like this. And here we put negative sign. Negative sign shows that concentration is decreasing with respect to time. This is minus 1 by small b del b by del t. This is plus 1 by c plus sign shows